Imagine that the entire history of the universe, 13.8 billion years, was compressed into a single year. Our calendar. Everything begins at midnight on January 1st with the Big Bang. Before that, there was no before. Suddenly, pure energy expands, creating space and time itself. In the first few months, the universe was a hot, dark soup. But by mid-March, gravity starts working. The first galaxies are born. Our home, the Milky Way, would only form around March 15th. But it was still a lonely place. No Earth, no sun. Time flies. We spend half the year in the dark. Only on August 31st does our sun ignite. 2 weeks later, on September 14th, the Earth forms from cosmic dust. But it wasn't the blue paradise we know. It was a toxic ball of lava under constant bombardment. Soon after the Earth cools, something magical happens. On September 21st, in the primordial oceans, the first microscopic life emerges. For entire months of our calendar, October and November, life was nothing more than simple bacteria and algae breathing and creating oxygen. Progress is slow. We reach December and the universe is still silent. But on December 17th, the Cambrian explosion occurs. Suddenly, the oceans are filled with bizarre creatures, complex plants, and animals. Life finally decided to accelerate. On Christmas Day, December 25th, the dinosaurs appear. They dominate the planet for 5 whole days of the cosmic calendar. Seems like a short time? They reigned for 160 million years. We, humans, are just a blink of an eye compared to them. The reign of the giants ends brutally. On the morning of December 30th, a 10 kilometers asteroid hits the Yucatan Peninsula. The dinosaurs are wiped out. Without this catastrophic event, mammals, our ancestors, would never have had a chance to thrive. We are children of chaos. It's the last day of the year. It's snowing outside. The first primates only appear in the morning. And us. The first anatomically modern humans only emerge at 11:52 p.m. on December 31st. There are 8 minutes left in the year, and humanity was just born. Everything you studied in history class, kings, emperors, wars, pyramids, all of that happens in the last 14 seconds. Jesus Christ was born just 5 cosmic seconds ago. The Industrial Revolution? It happened in the very last second. And here we are, in the last second of the year on our cosmic calendar. We are newcomers, the youngest species on the planet, but the only one capable of looking back and understanding this calendar. What will we do with the next second?